The Twins are paying homage to their 1987 World Series championship team at Target Field before playing host to the Tigers. Bottom three, Joe Mauer breaks a scoreless tie with an RBI single into right field off Jordan Zimmerman. Minnesota takes the 1-0 lead. The next pitch from Zimmerman is sent the other way off the bat of Robbie Grossman. That's in for an RBI double, and the Twins lead it 2-zip. Jump to the 7th now, it's 5-0, and Jason Castro serves an RBI single into right off Warwick's soft hold. That extends the Twins' lead to 6-0. Back come the Tigers in the 8th inning. It's 6-1 here when Justin Upton drills a 3-run homer, and suddenly it's a 6-4 game. Later in the frame at 6-5, the Tigers have 2 on and 2 down, but Brandon Kinsler retires Andrew Romine to end the frame, and the Twins survive with a 6-5 win. Kyle Gibson goes a season-high 7 1/3. He's charged with 3 earned runs, and he picks up the win. This series concludes on Sunday with Adalberto Mejia on the mound for the Twins and Matthew Boyd going for the Tigers.